Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start poem named The Coromandel Fishes. Coromandel Fishes, written by Nightingale of India, Sarojini Naidu. Okay students, here you can see the picture of Sarojini Naidu students, Nightingale of India. She written this poem Coromandel Fishes. Sarojini Naidu was an Indian political leader born on February 13, 1879 in Hyderabad, India, and also was a part of the Indian freedom movement. She was the part of the Indian freedom movement and became the first women president of Indian National Congress. Hence, the poem Coromandel Fishes is about fishermen. Yet it reflects the poet's desire, the poetess' desire for free India, and thus she encourages the people of the nation to hasten their struggle. To hasten their struggle. So without delay, let's start the poem, students. Let's begin with the first stanza of this poem. Rise, brothers, rise. The awakening skies pray to the morning light. The wind lies asleep in the arms of the dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Come, let us gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free to capture the leaping wealth of the tired. For we are the kings of the sea. So here in this poem, the fishermen are actually the freedom fighters of India. The poetess asks the fishermen to rise. The day is about to appear. She uses some symbols to tell this. First she says that the awakening skies pray to the morning light, which means that the sky which was sleeping in the night has woken up and this welcoming the light. The poetess asks the fisherman to wake up and the sea is ready for them. Next, she says that the wind lies asleep in the arms of dawn, like a child that has cried all night. Means that the sea wind that leads to the storm is now calm because of the morning which is about to come, but at night tides ride in the night because of moon's gravitational pull, but now sleeping like a child. Thus the wind is just like the child which kept crying throughout the night and now he is quiet. Here the poetess uses simile to compare now calm wind with the child. By using this two symbolic example, she declares that the morning is nil. In the third line, the poetess asks the fisherman to gather our nets from the shore and set our catamarans free. Catamaran is a kind of boat used by the fishermen. Free in order to capture the leaping wealth of the tired. For we are the kings of the sea. According to the poetess, the fishermen should collect their nets from the seashore and take their boats because the tide is full of wealth and the wealth is the fishes, seagulls, etc. And they are the kings. They just need to go to the sea to capture the wealth that is theirs. Hence, they should hurry. Let's see the second stanza, students. No longer delay, let us hasten away in the track of the seagull's call. The sea is our mother, the cloud is our brother, the waves are our comrades all. What though we toss at the fall of the sun, where the hand of the sea God drives? He who holds the storm by the hair will hide in his breast our lives. Here, the poetess asks the fishermen to do everything fast. The girls called is a symbols used to depict that morning is nil. The poetess calls sea as their mother, clouds as brother, and sea waves as their comrades, means companions. Here again the poetess considered the mother, means the sea is their mother because it feeds them and helps them to sustain their life. Similarly, clouds are their brothers because they guide the fishermen while the waves are companions because they keep moving with them. The poet wants to say that the sea, clouds, waves and are family and friends. They will protect them. She urges others not to feel because even if they couldn't return back by the sunset, the sea god, which according to who holds the sea storm by the hair, will save them. That means it will hide in his breast our lives. Let's see the next stanza, students. Sweet is the shade of the coconut glade and the scent of the mango grove, and sweet are the sands at the full moon. With the sound of the voices we love, but sweeter, O brothers, the kiss of the spray and the dance of the wild foam's glee. Row, brothers, row to the edge of the verge, where the low sky mates with the sea. So in this final stanza, the poetess says that the shade of the coconut glade, the scent of the mango groves, and the sands at the full moon, and the sound of the voices they love are sweet and enjoyable. But these joys are temporary. Rather, they should go for the kiss of the spray. And what it is? That is water drops on their face and the dance of the foam's glee. And what is the dance of the foam's glee? A foam which forms by the up-down movements of the tides, which according to the poetess are sweeter and work struggling. And the poetess motivates the fishermen to leave the land and sail on the sea, where the sun meets the sky, and that is the horizon. Symbolically, it refers to the infinity or a place without end. In this perspective, she asks the fishermen to dive into the infinite sea. So students, this is the poem The Coromandel Fishes. I hope you enjoyed and understood the poem. With this, we will stop our class here and we will continue in next session. Till then, thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.